Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today I thought it'd be fun to do a little Walt Disney World haul. Of course, Walt Disney World is open again, and of course World of Disney has been open for a while now at Disney Springs. So, of course I've done a little bit of shopping since World of Disney at Disney Springs has been open and now the Disney parks. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what I've gotten so far. So, alright, let's get started. You see a few things here, right? All right, well, so at Disney Springs, I saw this cute little guy. I mean, how stinking adorable is he? He's so cute. So I got the stuffed animal one as well back here, if you can see him. There he is. So I got him right when World of Disney opened. They had that little guy, but then they got this one. So I had to get them both. Of course, I'm a huge Baby Yoda fan, and I mean, how do you pass up this face, right? So cute. I'd seen him at Target, actually, and I thought about getting him. I'm glad I didn't, though, because I got my annual pass holder discount on him. He was only $24.99. Super duper cute. He has a little, his head is a little hard, but that makes it so cute. So anyways, had to pick up Baby Yoda at the World of Disney. So a few more things that we picked up at Disney Springs were some of the Disney masks. So I ordered some online. They didn't fit the best. They were mediums and I needed a large. So just so you know, pretty much all adults need a large. The mediums are super tight. They were pulling my ears forward. But the large seemed to fit perfect. So definitely get a large. So again, I had to get the little Baby Yoda because he's adorable. Check it out there. He's so cute. Got his little soup or whatever he has there that he's drinking. So this will be great for when I go to Hollywood Studios or anywhere really, because it's Baby Yoda. Also had to get Stitchy. So I've worn this one already in a few videos, so I'm sure you guys have seen me with this one on. And had to get Mickey Mouse for Dale. I know I might wear it sometime too, you never know. So little Mickey Mouse there. Very cute. And this one I've not opened yet, but I cannot wait to wear it, is the Marie mask. So the little kitty Marie from the Aristocats. And I've got a couple more masks, so I had to get the Pixar one. How cool is this one? So many cool little characters on there. I love it. Haven't worn this one yet. And then I have worn this one. I had to get this one as well because it's just, very classic and it goes with a lot. So Minnie Mouse, black and white, and you probably have seen me wear this one at the parks. So another thing I had to get when we were at Disney Springs, so a lot of resort hoppers were telling me about this and I knew I had to get it. Super cute. So it is the Small World blanket, like a throw blanket, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness. But one of the reasons I had to get it was because, let's see if I can find him. You guys know I love Small World, but there is a certain character from Small World that I love so much. Oh, here he is. And he's on like no merch. So whenever I spot him, I've got to get him. So there he is. My cactus playing guitar. How cute is he? So hopefully you can see him there, but he's adorable. He's on this blanket. So far I have two things with my little cactus on it. I have my blanket, and then I have my Small World magic band that I wear like all the time. He's on that as well. So definitely had to pick this up. This was at World of Disney, and it's amazing and it's super soft. Alright, so whenever we went to the cast member preview with Jordan at Magic Kingdom, the very first time we went back to Magic Kingdom, I had to buy, of course, a new pair of ears, and you could tell I had them on in the video, but I needed to commemorate us going back to Magic Kingdom, so I bought a pair of ears, because I love ears, as you can tell. But I did buy a pair of ears on the very last day, right before Walt Disney World closed for the shutdown. I bought the classic mini ears, so I thought these would be fun to buy. They're brand new and it's summertime here at Walt Disney World, so I bought these. They're really cute. Here, I'll take them off and give you a little bit closer look, but they're like little inner tubes, and they've got fruit all over the inner tubes, and then on the side it says Sweet Summer. So yeah, Had to pick up a pair of ears, of course. And I love them. They're really cute. And they actually do blow up. So if they do deflate a little bit, you can blow them back up, which is pretty cool. Easy for packing, right? So I had to get a pair of ears, but also I wanted to get some Splash Mountain merch. Since we all heard that, you know, Splash Mountain is getting, you know, redone into Princess and the Frog, which I'm excited about. But we had to get some Splash Mountain merch before they close, which again, we don't know when they're going to close yet, but let me show you the Splash Mountain merch that I got. So first I had to pick up a few of the pens. I do have a pen board back here. I've started collecting some pens. Of course, you can tell I don't have as many as some people do, but I wanted to pick up some Splash Mountain ones since I knew, you know, it was closing. So here is a first one. So you can see it's Splash Mountain with Mickey, and it looks like Donald and Goofy, and I think Pluto even. And this moves up and down like it's going, you know, like you're going on Splash Mountain. Sorry, I'm trying to focus it, but yeah, isn't that cool? So, and it says at the bottom, Splash Mountain, which is amazing. And then I had to get this one. So this pen, so here's a really cool one. It says I Conquered Splash Mountain, and I love that as well. You got Brer Rabbit, Brer Bear, and Brer Fox there on the ride. So definitely had to pick up one of those. Really cool. And we found one more pen, and this one is Everything is Satisfactual, and it says Splash Mountain there on the side of the pen as well. So I had to get this one, and I love it. It's so, so cool. All right, I got a couple more things from Splash Mountain, so let me show you those. So the first day we were there, I thought, okay, I only need one of the plushies, even though I wanted all three. I was like, nope, nope, you just need one. So I got Brer Rabbit. Super cute. He's my favorite, you know, from the ride. He's adorable. Look at his big feet and his big ears. I love him. So cute. Little Brer Rabbit. So I knew I had to get him. And I actually picked up one for my friend Maria from Lake Buena Visitors as well, because she wasn't there for cast member preview. So I had to get her a little Brer Rabbit. And then we ended up for annual pass holder preview when we were back at Magic Kingdom. We went back in just to see what else they had, if they had anything different, or if it was the same stuff. Well, they did have more of the plushies in. So Maria and Chris got me the other two because I said I needed, you know, the matching set. So I have Brer Bear, which is awesome. I love Brer Bear. He's just super cute on the ride, and he's big and squishy, and I just love him. So cute. And then they also got me Brer Fox because, you know, I need the matching set, they said. So I was so excited. Super cute. He's cute as well. Of course, they're all in their outfits that they have on the ride. And so now I have all three. Yay, a complete set. All right, I love it. So cute. So I got all the plushies and the pens. I also picked up something for Dale. Check it out. So this was the only Splash Mountain t-shirt that they had, other than the kids, of course. And you've got Brer, all of them, right? Brer. Yeah, we got Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear there. They've just gone down Splash Mountain and gotten wet. Look, even their log is full of water, which is really cool. So Splash Mountain, and there it is in the background. What's really cool about this is there is a hidden message that comes out on the shirt whenever it gets wet. I'm not actually sure what it is because, you know, Dale hasn't worn it yet, but I'm excited to see what it is. I'm sure I could look it up online. I'm sure they have pictures of it, but I had to get Dale a t-shirt. And I also picked up a mug for Mom and Dad. I already gave it to him. I wish I would have videotaped it before I gave it to him, but it was a really cool mug from Splash Mountain, so got that for Mom and Dad. So that's all of the Splash Mountain merch that we got for the cast member preview. So now let me show you a few more things that I got. So you know how a tank top is a necessity for me during the summertime here in Florida, especially when we're out at the parks. So there was a couple cute tank tops that I saw at the Emporium on Main Street at the Magic Kingdom, and I had to pick them up. So the first one is cute little Baby Yoda. I saw this one. I've had my eye on it for a little while, but decided why not? Let's get it. So check it out. It says Star Wars there, and has Baby Yoda and a tank top, and it's just plain on the back. But it does have a cool little detail, like a tie, little tie knot down there at the bottom. So you can tie it or leave it out and it's like longer on one side. But anyways, I thought this was super cute. And I have a couple pair, actually 2 pair of Baby Yoda ears that are gonna go great with this tank top, and I can't wait to wear them. Of course, my still got my Baby Yoda mask, so I'm all set, Baby Yoda. Alright, so there's the first tank top I had to get. The second one is very basic, but I thought it was cute and be nice and cool in the summertime, is Minnie and Mickey. Look at that, isn't that cute? And it's metallic. I like that, and it's like a light heather gray, white, I'm not even sure, but it's very pretty. And it'll go with a lot of different things. It's flowy, which is how I like my tank tops, and yeah, had to buy those. Alright, so there are 2 more things that I picked up since the parks have been opened back up. Whenever we went to the grand reopening of the Magic Kingdom on Saturday, they had some exclusive merch for the reopening, and we just had to pick some up. So we found this t-shirt for Dale, and says "Together Again," which is awesome. I love it. And there's Mickey and the castle. And we had to pick one up. So this is Dale's, and then I got one also. Now they did have, so I'll show you the one I got actually. And the one that I got is a kid's shirt, Together Again. Let's see if I can get it a little bit better so you can see. There we go. So it says Together Again, just like Dale's, with Mickey and the castle, and it's in like a turquoise color. Now this is the kids version, so I got a large in the kids, and it fits perfectly. But they also had a women's shirt, like a women's cut, and it was a pink, Together Again, and it had the castle and a heart, which I like that one as well, but it was like a lighter pink. Sometimes those wash me out a little bit, so I thought this was a better color on me, so I went with the kids, plus it was cheaper. So we had to pick those up, and yeah, I think that's all that I've gotten so far. I know it's quite a bit actually. But I wanted to show you guys, because I know you've been asking, did you, during our live streams, have you picked up any new ears? Did you pick up any Splash Mountain merch? Different things like that. And I love to show you guys things that I bought at the parks. I hope you enjoy checking it out as well. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.